Well, the IT index has fallen by 21%. Well, that is massive. But is this an opportunity or should you wait for more fall? What could happen next? Let's find out in this video. I'm going to do the index analysis and we'll mainly focus on the index because the index will define the individual stocks as well, the individual sector as well. So we will see where could be the next support for IT. Is it going to fall even further, or this could be the point where it could take a U-turn? So everything we are going to discuss. We are going to focus on the price action mainly in this video, but please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite, not on the advice given by anyone else, right? So with that said, let's get started. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is IT Index and you can see the massive fall. Well, few months back I had drawn this line, okay, because this was the resistance level here at this point in early 2024, which turned into a support here and the index kept going up. But then we got to see some big bearish price action and continued bearish price action, and now the index has broken this level of 38,500 rounded up, okay, and it has started going down even further to 36,000 level. Well, where could it stop? Well, I would say that you should be prepared for a fall of even 10 to 15%, even more from this point. Why and how did I find out? You see, Nifty IT Index has broken this support level, right? So the next support level could be this one. Okay, so we have to see how many support resistance levels are actually aligning at this point. So if I mouse over here and draw one more blue line, I see that this level has acted as support here. Okay, in the early days of in the early days of 2022, then it acted as resistance here in September 2023, and again here in May 2024. Now the index could come down to that level of 33,500 rounded up. So let's measure how much of a fall that will be. So if I measure from here, it will be around, you see, 7.72 or 8% rounded up. Okay, 8%. Now it could stop here, but then again to form a base and start going up, it might go even down. I mean down even further to maybe this level, because here also there are multiple support resistance aligning. Okay, you see, let me highlight this. Here is one, then here is one, here is one, again here is one, here is one. Okay, and this is close. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 6. So it could come down to this level as well, 30,800. Okay, so let's measure that as well. So that will be a fall of around 15%. So to sum it up, the IT index could fall by even 18 to 15%, even more from this point. It has already fallen by 21%. Let me show that to you as well. If I measure from here, you can see it is 21.6%. And if I use the moving averages, we can clearly see a cross below of 10 and 30 EMA. Okay, 10 EMA and 30 WMA. So maybe in the coming days, once it starts taking support at this level, we'll also get to see a crossover as well. Okay, and that will be the point of entry. Do not be in a rush to make entries. Do not buy the IT index ETF or any IT stocks right now, because it could continue falling. And I know you must be getting news and tips from many sources that you should buy now, it has fallen, it is a golden opportunity. Well, this is not the smart investors way, remember that. And it's not that easy that when the market is falling badly, you just simply buy stocks, whatever you like, the favorite stocks, and then it will automatically go up. No, you are going to sit on losses or maybe sideways action for years. That is possible. It could stay down for 6 to 8 months maybe. We don't know. Why do you want to keep your money blocked in something that is not going to appreciate anytime soon? You should wait for the right opportunity, even if you have to pay extra, even if you have to pay 32,000 instead of 30,000, still it's fine, because you are saving time and opportunity for yourself. So don't worry, I'll definitely make update videos on the index, on the entire market, when things will start turning positive. As of now, stay away from Nifty IT Index. That will be the bottom line for this video. Okay, so that was all about this video. I hope it was informative and useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video, share it with other people, and subscribe to Financial Impulse. And don't forget To check my other channel, Financial Affairs, you'll find the link in the description section below. Thank you very much. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.